Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Binance demo account. First, understand that Binance offers a testnet environment, which is a simulated platform for practice. This allows you to explore trading features and strategies without any financial risk. You'll need to access a specific testnet URL, distinct from the main Binance website, to begin your setup process. Next, you'll register for your testnet account. This involves providing a valid email address and creating a strong, unique password. After entering your details, you will receive an email to verify your account. Click the link in that email to complete the verification process. Finally, review and accept the terms of service to finalize your registration and gain access to the demo platform. Once your account is set up, you'll need virtual funds to start trading. The Binance testnet provides a faucet where you can request simulated currency. Typically, you can receive a substantial virtual balance, often around $100,000, to begin. These funds are purely for practice, allowing you to execute trades and experience market movements without any real financial commitment. With your virtual funds, you can now explore all the trading features. Experiment with different order types, such as limit orders and market orders, to understand their execution. Utilize the charting tools and real-time market data to analyze trends. This environment is perfect for developing and refining your trading strategies, helping you gain confidence before considering any real investments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.